Okay guys, so this is it. Hair has been washed. I blow dried it a little bit, not too straight. And guys, if you have been on my channel for a while, you can already tell the difference. You can see the difference in the hair. So yeah, this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna now take down the twists, because when I blow dry it, I just put it in these little twists so that it does not get too much of the hair and starts getting all shriveled up again. So I'm going to take down the twist so that I can put it into the 4 sections that I normally put it into whenever I am trimming my hair. Alright, so I normally put 1 section to the back. Ensure it's as stretched in the roots as I can get it. Hair tie. Take the hair tie down. I'm stopping here because I want to take off about this much. Yeah. All right, so this is it. 1, 2, 3, 4 sections. This is how I normally put the hair when I'm doing my trim. So yeah, so I think I'm gonna go. So I'm using this princess comb because it stretches the hair out a bit more. Really detangles it nice and thoroughly. So, oh boy, and that way is going to help me with the trim. Yeah, so we're going to take off at least 3 inches. You want to do a little measuring of the 3 inches, so we're sure. I don't think it should be all. I don't think it would be all. So let's try a little measurements to see. So I'm gonna grab this ruler. So we're starting with 3 inches in the hair how it is right now. I don't want to show your face on the camera. Okay, that looks better. So, yep. So 3 inches. We're starting at 3 inches, and I'm gonna work my way up when I let it down from the pieces of the sections. Oh my god, it already feels so much better. My goodness. Right, okay, so we're gonna do the same thing to this side. You love my little painting right there. That's done by Renata.
Nothing straight, man.
Of course, I'm already feeling it so much better. So honestly, I'm just looking forward to see how it looks in the end, how short it looks. But if it's going to be short, guys, I prefer it be short and healthy than short and broken the way it was before I did this. So yeah. They're like little pom-poms. Ah, okay. Final section. Okay. So, this is what we're looking like. It's a whole ball. Alright, so let's take it down so we can see how we're looking. Oh my gosh, guys, this feels so much better. Wow, it feels so much more healthy already. Oh my god, it feels so good, Ranaza. Okay, so what we want to do is to just check to see if it's okay. See how my hair has just shrunk. I have lost so much hair. This used to be this huge, but anywho, this was a little nerve-wracking. How does it look, Renata? What do you think? Do I need to trim like this area?
Yes, even it out.
Okay, but this is a start, guys. Like I said, oh my god, guys, you all have no idea how good it feels being able to comb through the hair like this. Oh my god. I feel like some of the load has been removed from my hair and it's so much better. This, I could not have done this for the past couple of months, and yeah, I needed this trim, guys. I really absolutely needed this trim. It feels so much better. I'm feeling like everything that's there now is healthy, it's good, it's awesome. So yeah, so I'm gonna keep it this way for now, and I will go into doing a further trim, you know, as time progresses. So I will see if I can maybe trim a few, maybe like every month or every 2 months, every 3 months, that kind of thing, till the end of the year, so that I can get to the perfect length, get it to, you know, adjust itself nicely. But for now, this is it. I'm back to shoulder length hair. I'm not realizing that I actually had gotten to shoulder length hair. My hair was to the middle of my back before all of this breakage and all of this stuff. Like, look at this, guys. I mean, my hair was, I could do this and have my hair in my hand. But I can no longer do this. And I'm at shoulder length again, so now it's back to the journey. But at least I know I'm starting it off with healthier hair. It's not as damaged as it was. I am going to now have to just focus on growing out the areas in the roots that are short and the patches to the back where it is. But yeah, so hopefully I can go into sharing all of this with you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you, and hope you're gonna join me on this journey. Give me a few tips, guys. Let me know in the comment section what you think. Let me know in the comment section what you would like to see going forward into this new journey, and I will see you in the next one. Okay, bye. I do love it though. I do love it.